Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best tech and home solutions just for you. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best ceiling light flush mount LED currently available. The Brightever 4-pack LED flush mount ceiling light fixture. Let's start with why this light is grabbing so much attention. The Brightever LED ceiling light boasts a remarkably slim design, just 0.67 inches in thickness. That makes it an incredibly sleek, unobtrusive addition to any room. Whether it's a low-ceiling hallway or a modern-style bedroom, this fixture blends in beautifully, offering a modern and minimalist aesthetic. Now, beyond the aesthetics, it's what's inside that counts. Each 12-inch fixture consumes only 24 watts of power while delivering a brilliant 3,200 lumens of brightness. That means you're getting high-efficiency lighting that can easily replace traditional 240-watt incandescent lights, saving you money while giving you significantly better performance. One of the standout features is the adjustable color temperature. The Brightever flush mount lights come with 5 selectable color options ranging from warm white at 2700K to daylight white at 6500K. You can set the lighting to a cozy, warm glow for relaxation in the bedroom or shift it to crisp daylight for working areas like the kitchen or office. The color-changing flexibility ensures this one fixture can meet a variety of needs throughout the home. Installation is also designed with convenience in mind. You won't need a can or housing. It's a direct flush mount setup that works with most standard junction boxes. The mounting bracket is universal, and all necessary hardware is included. It's essentially a plug-and-play system for any DIY enthusiast. Another key feature is the dimmable function. These lights are fully compatible with most LED dimmer switches, allowing you to fine-tune the brightness from 10% to 100%. Whether you're winding down at night or need full illumination during the day, these lights adapt to your mood and setting. As far as safety and durability go, Brightever has integrated top-tier LED chips with an excellent heat dissipation design. They're flicker-free, noise-free, and built to last for over 50,000 hours of use. That's more than 17 years of life if you use them for 8 hours a day. The pack includes 4 lights, making it ideal for outfitting multiple rooms in your home in one go. And because they're Energy Star rated and ETL listed, you can trust that these lights meet high standards for energy efficiency and performance. To sum it up, you're getting a sleek, modern design with high lumen output, customizable color temperatures, dimmable functionality, and long-lasting durability, all in one value-packed solution. Whether you're renovating, upgrading your home lighting, or moving into a new space, the Brightever LED flush mount ceiling lights are a strong contender for your next lighting upgrade. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into top-rated products. Let us know in the comments what lighting solutions you'd like us to review next. See you next time.